Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video we are going to be making a very delicious and nutritious steamed vegetables using green. This steamed vegetable is so versatile that you can use it to eat anything, basically, like anything. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So here is the green. It just arrived now and someone gifted it to me, and I decided to use it to prepare a delicious steamed vegetable stew. So guys, this is how to pluck the veggies. In case you don't know how to, I believe so many people know how to do this. So this is what the stem looks like, you see. So you just I like to start from here. You use your finger to kind of pinch it, like this one. Now I'll just pinch it, you see that, and add it to the one you already have in your hand. So yeah, and this is kind of satisfying to do. I don't know why. I don't like doing it, but I like doing it. I don't know, it's weird. So that's how you basically do it until you are done with everything. Here you can see the one I already plucked. And I'm going to add it into this pot because I'm still going to wash it. So after plucking it, I run some water over it, then add some salt and wash it. I wash it like 3 to 4 times. This is coming straight from the garden. It's not been washed, and there are lots of sand in it, so you have to make sure you wash it thoroughly. If not, you're going to be biting on sand when you are eating it, and that's not cool, right? So I'm going to keep doing this until I'm done. It's kind of a walk, but we have to do it.
now after getting everything ready, it is finally time to cook. So over here I have my 2 bowls of the green leaves, and in this plate I have a combination of cherry and fresh tomatoes, mackerel, I have the red and green bell peppers, I have my onions and Scotch bonnet, and finally some beef, minced beef. So in a pot, by the way, those are some of the ingredients. So as we cook, I will show you the other ones. So in a pot, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Allow it to heat up a bit. Just leave it for like 20 to 30 seconds, nothing more than that really, because we don't want to overheat the oil. So after that, I added my onions. I'm just going to give it some seconds to heat up a bit. I mean the onions to kind of heat up a bit in the oil, and then I went ahead to add the minced beef. You can use chicken if you don't like beef, or you can even skip this entirely if you don't want to add meat at all to yours. Okay, you can only use the mackerel and it will be perfectly fine. I've tried it with only the mackerel and it was so good, but today I decided to add the minced beef to see the difference, and it was actually so good, you guys. So I just added the red and the green bell peppers and stirred it a bit. Then I added the cherry and the fresh tomatoes. So after adding the cherry tomatoes and the fresh tomatoes, I added the mackerel, and then I added the remaining onions because I shared it into 2. I used half to fry the, I added half earlier, and then now I'm adding the remaining half together with the Scotch bonnet pepper. I added some salt. Just add salt according to your taste. And now I'm adding the Ariosto fish seasoning. If you don't have this fish seasoning, you can just skip it and add any seasoning cube or seasoning powder of your choice. I then added some rosemary. As you can see, I didn't add thyme. There's no reason as to why I didn't do that, but if you want, you can add thyme. Okay, so after adding the rosemary, I added some adobo seasoning. That's all-purpose seasoning. You can use it to season any food basically. So after adding that, I stirred it a bit and then covered it, and I allowed that to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to take out the fish because I don't want it to scatter in the pot. That's the reason why I'm taking out the fish from the pot. But if you don't mind, you can leave it there, to scatter, Don't mind me. So now I'm tasting it and everything was perfect, and it's time to add the green vegetables. Like, you guys, I love greens. I don't know if you love it the way I do. I love these vegetables so much, and as you can see, I'm using a lot of it. I added 1 bowl and I was like, no, I need to add more. So I added a little bit more, and then the remaining one I put it in my fridge because I like to use it to also cook indomie and also fry eggs. Like I told you, it is versatile like spinach. You can use it to cook anything basically, at least in my own opinion. So after adding the veggies, I mixed everything together, and then I poured back the fish which I took out earlier. So I'm just going to give it a gentle stir, cover the pot and allow it to steam for 1 to 2 minutes. Please do not allow this vegetable to stay on fire too long, because you don't want to kill all the nutrients vitamins, minerals, potassium, carbohydrates in the vegetables. You guys don't mind me, I'm just over exaggerating, and I guess I'm so excited as well. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my steamed vegetable stew, or sauce as some people may call it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please go and try yours, okay? You're going to love it, I promise you. I promise. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?